camera.
Hello,
Pro 12. Pro 12.
Pro 12 sir.
The company and Pro 12.
Pro 12.
Pro 12 company sir.
Video. Video sir. Video audio எல்லாமே
எவ்வளோ நேரம் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ண முடியும்?
ரெக்கார்டிங் ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. நான் இதை இப்போ நான் மீட்டிங் போகிறேன்ல, மீட்டிங் போகும்போது இதெல்லாம்
Okay, please come over here. Please come over here. Yeah, and finally you are here, and welcome to Vietnam. Welcome to Danang City. Okay, so now you are in Danang City in central Vietnam. Okay, and my name is Quinn. Okay, my name is Quinn, and I'll be your guide for the whole trip in Danang City for 5 days and 4 nights here. Okay, for 5 days and 4 nights in Danang, and I hope you will enjoy the trip with us. Okay, very nice to meet you. Okay, Quinn, I'm Quinn. I'm your tour guide. Okay, for the trip, and so maybe you are very tired now after so long. Okay, very long flight. Okay, and are you hungry now?
very much.
Okay, yeah, okay, so you're very hungry, right? So we are going directly to the restaurant, okay, for lunch. And so the restaurant is about 15 minutes driving from the airport, okay, only 15 minutes, and then all the foods are ready. Okay, so it's an Indian restaurant, and today we are going to a restaurant called Family Indian. Okay, Family Indian, yeah. And okay, so welcome to Danang City. Okay, this is called Danang City, and this is the biggest city in central Vietnam. Okay, the biggest city in central Vietnam, and this is also the fourth biggest city in the country. Yeah. So anyone here, have you been to Vietnam before, or is it your first time? Okay, anyone has been here? So okay, so a few people have been here. Maybe you've been to Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh, right? Yeah, and maybe this is the first time you're come to Danang. Okay, yeah. So Danang is yeah, it is center. It's in the center of the country. Okay, so Vietnam is a long country. Vietnam is a long country, long and narrow country. It's not big as India, right? So it's a long and narrow country, and we are divided into 3 different areas, 3 regions. Okay, the north, the center, and the south. Okay, so the north of Vietnam is Hanoi. Okay, the north of Vietnam is Hanoi, and Hanoi is also the capital city. Okay, and now you are in the center, and this is Danang City. And if you move down to the south, okay, you're going to the South Vietnam after this trip in Danang. You're going to Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, or in Vietnam we call it Saigon. Okay, yeah, Saigon. So it's a long and narrow country. Okay, Hanoi, Danang, and Ho Chi Minh. Okay, so now you are in Danang City, and this is the 4th biggest city in Vietnam. And the population in Danang is only about 1.6 million. Yeah, 1.6 million. And Danang is less busy. Yeah, it's less busy compared to the other big cities in Vietnam. Like if you go to Hanoi, if you go to Ho Chi Minh, yeah, it's very busy there. Okay, there are like 10 million people living in Hanoi and 14 million people living in Ho Chi Minh. And compared to Danang, only 1.6 million. Okay, so it's a small city. And Danang is also a very nice city. Yeah, very nice city for tourists. Okay, and during this trip in Danang, I will be with you to explore the beauty, the attractions of the city. Okay, so now we are going to the restaurant for lunch. Okay, and after lunch we go to a mountain. Okay, we go to a mountain, and the mountain is called Monkey Mountain. Okay, Monkey Mountain. So there are many different names to call it. Monkey Mountain or the peninsula, Central Peninsula. Okay, it is like a peninsula, and we are going there. We are going there not for the monkeys. Okay, there are a lot of monkeys living on that mountain, but we are not going there for the monkeys. So we are going there for a very big Buddhist complex. Okay, yeah, it's the biggest Buddhist complex in Danang city. So we are going there to see a Buddhist temple. Okay, a Buddhist temple, very tall pagoda. Okay, with 9 stories pagoda, and also we see the biggest Lady Buddha in central Vietnam. Okay, so we're gonna see a very tall lady statue. Okay, 70 meters high. Yeah, 70 meters. Okay, 70 meters high. Yeah. So it's a complex. It's a whole complex that was built about 15 years ago. Okay, and it's a very nice place. It is a very nice place. So we are going there. And we walk around to see the attractions. Okay, and I think that is enough for this afternoon. Okay, that is enough for this afternoon because you have a long flight. Okay, you have to wait a lot in the airport. So maybe you're very tired. You need some rest. Okay, so after we finish at the Monkey Mountain, we go straight to the hotel for check-in. Okay, and there's something we're expecting to do today, so we can do that, you know, like tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Okay, so there are some activities that we will do tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Okay, so this afternoon we expected to visit 3 different places. Okay, but that is too much. Okay, that is too much because tonight we also have other activities, so you need some break. Okay, so I'll give you some break in the hotel. So that's why today we only visit 1 attraction, and the other 2 attractions we do that tomorrow and the day after. Okay, is that clear? Okay, thank you. So after lunch we go to the Monkey Mountain for the Lady Buddha. Okay, and then we go straight to the hotel, and tonight I will see you again. Okay, I will see you again, and then we come out together. Yeah. Okay, so tonight we come out together, and then we go for dinner. Okay, yeah, we go for dinner at 7 o'clock. Okay, so tonight we will meet at 7 o'clock. Okay, and then we go to another place for dinner.
பீச் பாருங்க சூப்பர் என்னமோ நம்ம பரியனா பீச் பார்க்காத மாதிரி
4 point இருக்கு சார். சார் இதான் பீச்சா? பரவாயில்லையே. இப்படிதான் இருக்குமா பீச்?
இதான் பீச்சான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
இப்படிதான் இருக்குமா பீச்? தண்ணி இப்படிதான் இருக்குமா?
இல்ல டைஃபூன் இல்ல
சார் கிண்டல் பண்றாரு சார். டெய்லி பீச்சுக்கு போறாரு சார் அவரு.
யாரை பார்க்கிறதுக்கு?
அதுதான் எனக்கு தெரியல. டெய்லி போயிட்டு
கூட போறோம் நீங்க.
எப்பயாவது மட்டும் என்ன கூப்பிடுவாரு.
விந்தம்
விந்தம் பாக்கு